Hello everyone. Today we will discuss a new topic, computer aided quality control. So there are two parts of this topic. In first part I will discuss the basic part of the computer aided quality control. So as we know, in different operations or different machining operation, so major requirements is in terms of accuracy, speed and price, and we need to process a better at faster rate, and we need a product which is more cheaper. That's our that's our main objective requirement for any of the product. So the main that particular for any product, that quality is main concern. So for that we have in any of the organization or industry there is quality control department. So that quality control function has traditionally been performed using manual inspection methods and statically sampling procedure. So in earlier stage we have been done on this process quality control, or earlier in traditional processes we have been doing this process as a manual inspection, or we are inspecting the product or components manually without any automatic or optimized setup or inspection technology. So first we will discuss the manual inspection for quality control. So it is generally a time consuming procedure which involves precise yet monotonous work. If often requires that part be removed from vicinity of the product machines to a separate inspection area. So it's a time consuming procedure that involve precise, means one to one product we inspect, and first we need to remove that part from the production or during the production process, then we will take out this component in separate inspection and then we inspect it. So that causes a delay and often constitute a bottleneck in manufacturing schedules, and that will increase the manufacturing time of that product. So the inherent use of the statical sampling procedure is an acknowledge of the risk that we defective parts will slip through. So earlier we used some statical sampling techniques for that, so that we can take out some random samples of the items and we find out the defective parts. So there are maybe chances that a defective parts may uh, may go for, or may pass that quality checks. So there is chances that there may be some defective parts. So indeed, statical quality control attempts to guarantee that a certain expected on average fraction defect rate will be generated during the production inspection process. So using that statically quality control process, there is guarantee that certain expected and average or some fraction defects of the particular. So there is chances that there will be some fraction defect rate you during the inspection process. So the nature of traditional statistical quality control procedure is that something less than 100% good quality must be tolerated. That is our main assumptions. So the another aspect of the traditional quality control inspection process which detract from its usefulness. It is often performed after the fact. The measurements are taken and the quality is determined after the part already made. So earlier we do quality checks majorly whenever we manufacture a product, then we do quality checks. So if the part are defective, they must be scrapped or reworked at a cost which is often greater than their original cost to manufacture. So in traditional method, what we do first we prepare or we manufacture the product, then we do quality checks. If the product is defective, then either we scrapped it or we will rework on that product. So it involves a more or a higher additional cost for rework. All of these various factors are driving the quality control function to what we are calling computer aided quality control. So all the whatever we have issues with the additional process, that will leads to the quality control function, or we are leading to that new technology computer aided quality control, CAQC. So other terms that have been applied to describe this movement are computer aided inspection CAI and computer aided testing. There are two terms which involve in computer aided quality control. So the major objective of computer aided quality control are: first is to improve the product quality, second to improve or to increase productivity in the inspection process, third is to increase productivity and reduce the lead time in manufacturing. So to automate the inspection process through application computers combined with advanced sensor technology, that is our main thing, that this is computer aided inspection we called it. So we just automate that inspection process by using some computer, some processors, some sensors technologies. So like in some, we can say in a conveyor belt we put some products and we inspect using some kind of sensors some of the items. Then this is the one inspection process. So you say inspection will be done on a 100 basis rather than sampling. So earlier we in traditional methods we do sampling, but now we are doing 100% inspection for each products or each items. So there are two terms related to quality. First is quality assurance, second is quality control. So we need to know the difference on these two terms, because these some knows that these are both are same term, but we need to understand both are different term. So quality assurance is concerned with those activities which will maximize the probability that the product and its component will be manufactured within the design specification. So our target is that first, whenever we design any product, we specify or we made some technical specification or design parameters. So we manufactured according to the given design specification. So what our main objective during the quality assurance is that it will increase the probability that our product, whatever we are manufacturing or its component, will comes or will be under that design specification. That is our main target. But during the quality control is concerned with those activities. So in this, but in quality control, these are the those activities in inspection of the product and component quality, detection of poor quality. So majorly in quality control involves the activities or process for inspection of the product and component quality and detection of the poor quality. Here we detect directly the poor quality or quality defect particularly, and then we take the corrective action to eliminate the quality or poor quality or defects. That is in main we do in quality control. So we need to understand the computer role in quality control. Statically quality control, there are two tools: acceptance sampling. We have already known that parts, industrial engineering and control charts. This is part of quality control we can say, or we can say this is quality assurance. We have already subject QR, quality assurance and reliability. There we have already been covered these topics: acceptance sampling and control chart. Now we need to focus mainly quality control for techniques being used for quality control. So here are two things: inspection and testing. So if we do inspection using your computer, that is computer aided inspection. If we do testing using your computer or with the aid of computer, then is computer aided testing. There are two terms which are being need to understand. So with both technology CAI and CAT, the inspection testing will typically be accomplished on 100 basis rather than by sampling procedure. So rather than picking a group of samples of product, then we do testing, quality test for each product 100%. So there will be no chances that a defective item will be in our load, or in the whole process there will be zero defective item. So the inspection during production will be integrated into the manufacturing process rather than requiring that a part be taken. So what is the main benefit of this computer aided inspection is that inspection or inspection devices or are integrated with the manufacturing process. So while manufacturing the product, in between we can inspect the products without taking the parts in different place. So that will help to reduce the elapsed time to complete the parts. That is main benefits with this technique. So For inspection, we use the non-contact sensor that are more widely used nowadays with computer for computer aided inspection. So there are maybe non-contact sensor and contact inspection devices. So the part that are being tested usually be stopped and offer reposition to allow the inspection device to apply it properly. So what we do in contact, we stop the part, then as we reposition it, so that for inspection or the inspection device can read its geometry, or you can that can see that whether the item we are manufacturing is as per our design specification. So for that we use the with the contact inspection devices. So for non-contact sensor device, the part can be often inspected on the fly. So the benefit of the non-contact is that we need to we know to reposition the component. So what we do that particularly the component we are manufacturing, so uh, in a like the if the product is moving in manufacturing process, during that process directly we inspect using some kind of sensors of that product. So the devices are driven by the high speed data processing capability of the computer. There we use that kind of data processing computer that complete the inspection in a small fraction of second, very less time they complete the inspection process. Nowadays we are using online non-contact sensor that being used as a measurement component of computerized feedback control system. Also we are using robots for future inspection applications. Nowadays and in future we will be using that robotics inspection arms or robotics machines for inspection. So for contact inspection methods, so usually involve the coordinate measuring machine CMM. Most of these machines today are either controlled by numerical control or computers. So it's consists a table which hold the part in a fixed registered position and a movable head which hold a sensing probe. There are majorly two parts. That is a we can say plate or table where we fix our component, and then second is there is movable head which hold the sensing probe. So the probe can move in three directions to correspond to x, y, z coordinates. During the operation, the probe is brought contact with the part surface to be measured, and the three coordinate positions are indicated to a high level of accuracy. That is our main working of CMM, coordinate measuring machine. So physically located away from the production machine, usually a separate area of shop. So what we do whenever we need to inspect with CMM, we take out the component and we we inspect with CMM. So the part must be transported from the production area to CMM. In fact, if the inspection is required at several different stages of production, so start moving involved. That is working of this system. Because we can't inline that CMM method without production lines, but there is separate inspection area where we took our component and we inspect there using coordinate measuring machine. So this is the setup of the coordinate measuring machine. So we have already understood that this is the head where is we have we are using as a sensor, contact probe sensor. This is the we can say table, working table where we will keep our item or product which is to be inspected. So this is the computer, or we can say we can see the data, or we can see the geometrical features of that component, or there are some devices to using for to extract the data from sensors which will display on our computer monitor. So we need to see the application of this particular method also. So this particular method, that CMM, or we can say or contact inspection method, is widely used in manufacturing and production industries to assess metal parts or for electrical circuit testing. These are main application field. Then conventional measuring and gauging instruments are used. Coordinate measuring machine are related technique to measure mechanical dimensions. So usually these are used for measuring the mechanical dimensions. The stylus type the surface texture measuring machine to measure surface characteristics such as roughness and waviness. So we use a stylus type surface texture measuring machines also. We can say like surface roughness testing machine or Satronic. These are instruments which we use for surface roughness or measurement of surface roughness, RA value or waviness, or we can say. So electrical contact probe for testing integrated circuit and printed circuit board. Again, this is the application part we use in electrical contact probe for testing the circuit boards or printed circuit boards. Thank you. In next part, we will discuss again in details different we can say devices for inspection in non-contact inspection method.